How's it going, everybody? Finally back on the Mini. In case you're wondering, I got rid of my SSR 189. I just started falling apart. I did quite a few races with it. It served its justice, but I just got tired of working on it. I was gonna get a bigger bike, but 2 years later, I got another Mini. This is the 2018 Thumpstar TSX 140. I didn't see too many detailed videos of it, so I was just like, hey, I'll just give it a try. Why not? So far I like it. At the time of the video, it was 2 hours on the bike. I filmed it myself while I was riding, so I tried to get the best I could get with the shots. Hopefully I get better videos in the future. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.